Hey guys, today's adventure begins at the Harborside Resort at Atlantis. There are brand new rooms being done, and we got the video to show you what it looks like, how to book, which buildings are going to be ready when you want to book this summer, and most importantly, how do you get free Wi-Fi at Atlantis? Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We're going to give you all the details.
Like and subscribe. Epic couple adventures.
Harborside. We're staying in the Harborside this time. That's where our timeshare is. So come join us. Here we go. Yay! Here at the Harborside Resort, which is located at the marina right across from the Royal Tower in Atlantis. The Harborside Resort is under construction. They are renovating all their rooms, furniture, floors, fixtures, and artwork. They're going to go through and touch up all their buildings, pools, and even their restaurant, Sunset Point, famous for their spectacular views. Now let's go in and see one of the new rooms. So we step inside here to the dining room and the new living room and see some of the new artwork. And here's the new table and chairs with a little bar in the end. Now we're going to go through here to the bedroom through the bathroom. So this part is a lock-off with the toilet and shower area, and this can be separate from the sink and dressing area here. In this closet is the washer and dryer. Next you have a Roman tub and a large sink and mirror. Now here we have the bedroom, so they replaced everything. Here's the new artwork and the new bed, modern lights, love the blue carpet floors, and check out the blinds, floor to ceiling, all new furniture with a flat screen TV. Now we're going to go through into the living room with gorgeous new tile wood floors, shaker blinds, new lighting fixtures. They have added a new desk, a flat screen TV, and all new furniture with decorative touch. Now the sofa is a pull-out bed for 2 more guests or the kiddies. And here is the kitchen along with the dining. They've changed all the stools and the countertops, and in the kitchen the cabinets have remained the same. They have put new appliances in, which is pretty good. The one thing that hasn't changed here at the Harborside Resort are the iconic views of Atlantis. Everywhere you go in this resort, whether you're at the pool, walking along the marina headed down to the village, and all roads lead to the Royal Tower.
Walking through the harbor side at Atlantis. They call this the Riviera of the Bahamas. Buildings 1 and 2 are being done first. Free Wi-Fi is located in Building 7 right atop the reception area.
A new friend. Welcome to Fish. We're in the Bahamas and they're having a wonderful vacation here.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at Atlantis. We hope you like our content. If so, think about like and subscribe. Follow us along.